Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Irene and in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my cloth and paper order for my Moterm A5 Croc Planner. She's right here. So if you're interested in watching, let's get started. So just a couple weeks ago, I had received my Moterm A5 Croc Planner right here, and I have been putting her to good use. And once I got her, I actually realized I wanted to order some things for her from Cloth and Paper. I've seen so many people order items from them, and I really love the minimalistic look that they provide in a lot of their products, but they are also very functional. So here is my Cloth and Paper order. The box is a little bit beat up from transport, but regardless, let's get her opened up here. Okay, opening this up. I don't know what's gonna fall out. Oh, it's very pretty packaging. It also comes in a very sturdy cardboard box, as you can see. And at the top here we have, reminder, you are allowed to be both a masterpiece and a work in progress at the same time. Oh, that is so sweet. I love that. I'm gonna have to open this up afterwards. I think it comes with my order form and maybe, I don't know what else is in there. And if I can get this open. Sorry guys, if you guys are the type of people who really like to open things up nicely, this is not it. I just kind of tear through everything. And there's stuff in here. So this is not a very big order. I just want to put a disclaimer out there. I ordered like maybe 5 items and they're small, but I just wanted to try things out before I decide to make a bigger order. So inside I have placed these orders on the see-through flags in the color French 75, I think it's what it's called. I really wanted these neutral colors and tones. This is a transparent sticky note in rose, I think. Here's one in Dusk, also another transparent sticky note. I really want to use these as like to-do lists, kind of to highlight them. I've ordered this card holder or whatever you call it. What is it called? Cotton paper. It's called, it doesn't have a name. It doesn't have a name. So I wanted to put this at the front of my planner to kind of put in the sticky notes and these sticky notes and the page flags that I had ordered. I also ordered page flag, again, in the color Dusk. So I've got Dusk, French 75, and 2 transparent sticky note pads. We've got this guy right here. And let's see what's inside here. So I think this is a really pretty card. Huh, I love this. I can just stick that in there. Here's a card, it says, "Thank you so much for your purchase and welcome to the Cloth and Paper family." This is really sweet. And that has my order form. What I think I'll do now is I'm going to show you a quick walkthrough of what my planner setup currently looks like. Keep in mind that this is a work in progress. I am not completely satisfied with it, and I still am looking for certain things that I think would work well to suit my needs. Some of them which include like note-taking pages and things like that. I'm still trying to search for ones that I think are visually appealing to me and according to my aesthetics. So here it is. This is my Moterm planner. If you haven't seen my unboxing video of this, I will have it linked somewhere above right now. And if we open her up, she is already quite full already. I have her in here, and I just slipped in, this is really hard. I just slipped in the Cloth and Paper transparent sticky notes. This one and this one. This one's rose, this one's Dusk, and I slipped in this card. It's a little note from Cloth and Paper. Here is the flap that comes with Moterm's planners, at least this one, and it contains an extra pen holder, which is great because I like to have a pen holder for my, what are these called? Tombow, my Tombow marker. And the color is N89. I really like this one. It's like a soft gray. And this is a pen from Muji, and it's in the 0.5 size right here. It's black. So those are my two things that I carry with me to work when I am using my planner. I've inserted the transparent pocket holder thinger here at the front. And on the side here, I've got a few things. I've got some sticky notes that are marble. I got this from a friend, and I like to write some reminders on here. That way, if once I'm done with it, I can just recycle it and I don't have to keep it around. I have some business cards here because I do run a mini business. Like, I do lashing on the side, so I do lash extensions, and those are my business cards. I thought they looked really good in here, and I needed them one day, so I just kind of stuck them in here. And then I have like a little card here that says XOXO. I was just playing around trying to make some of these myself rather than buying them, and it was a lot of fun, but it's very time consuming when you don't know what you're doing. So that goes in there. And I've also stuck the transparent page tabbies in here. I don't know what I'm gonna put in the two empty ones right now, but I'm not concerned. Here is the dashboard that a friend had made for me a few years back, Chin-Up Buttercup, and then I have these tabs. So this first one is monthly. So I have my monthly schedules in here. I really like this. These inserts I got from 8LOTUS, and they are really nice. I really like to have one quick glance at it and see what's happening for the month. My next section is health. So I have these body measurements. I'm going to not show you, but I have these body measurement pages which keeps track of your body measurements, and I was able to get these from peanutsplannerco. So I'm pretty sure that's where that's from. And then I have a habit tracker that I just started using last week, so this is the second week now. I've been tracking my steps, which I haven't been doing great about. Working out, again, not great at. Trying to do a shot of apple cider vinegar every day. Breakfast by 12 and finish eating by 8 because I'm trying to do intermittent fasting and no spend challenge. So those are the things I'm kind of trying to keep track of the past few weeks. I may change it from week to week, so that's really nice about this. And I got this tracker from 8LOTUS. My next section, I have a tab at the top. This is the only tab that sticks out at the top besides travel way in the back. And it says today, and I have another dashboard. It says make it happen. And then I'm trying two things out. I'm trying a daily plan, but sometimes I find that if I don't have a whole lot going on, it can be a little bit wasteful in terms of space. So I like to get the ones that are undated. So these are again from 8LOTUS, and they're really nice because they're undated. If you skip a day or two because you're not busy those days, you have nothing to write out or plan, it's not gone to waste. So I've used this for a few days so far, like a week. And then, as you can see, I have page markers, which I will switch out for the cloth and paper ones after this video. But then I'm also trying out the weekly planner, which I find can be very good, but sometimes the days where I'm a little busier, where I want to plan and be more specific with everything that I'm doing, I find that it does not offer me enough space because the dailies are right here. And then the to-do list is here. It's great, but it doesn't let me kind of locate exactly where I want to put it on each day. So it's not bad, but I'm trying to figure out still whether I prefer the daily or the weekly layout right now for my planning. And then after that, I have a gratitude section. And in here, I just have a gratitude log that I'm trying to keep myself reminded that I have so many things to be grateful for. And I got this new set of gratitude inserts from, again, 8LOTUS. I'm really liking their aesthetic right now. I've yet to fill this page out because I want to fill out the one that I had started rather than starting completely new. My next section is work. And in here I have some schoolwork stuff because I am an elementary grade 4 teacher. So like I had some project ideas in here. Content ideas for YouTube, just because I am new at this and I want to have ideas about what are potential videos that I could film. So I have these types of inserts, which are from peanutsplannerco, which are really good because I find that they're good for planning out projects specifically. Over here, I have, also under the work section, I have some practice with lash mapping because I do have a lash business on the side. And I think these grid papers were from peanutsplannerco. Next section is lists. And here I have paper that looks like this. And I keep lists of things I want to sell, things I need to buy, purchase lists, lists of websites for good inserts or planner supplies, just different lists and things like that. And then finally, I come to the finance section, and I'm not going to show you the one that I filled out for this month so far. I'll show you a blank one. Again, this is from 8LOTUS, and I am in love with this one because it's really quite simple, straightforward, but it has everything that you need. For example, so one page is for a month. So here, the back of it is also for the same month. So this one whole page is for 1 month. And at the start of it, you have income. So your sources of income, the source, what you have forecasted, what the actual amount is, and then you can total all of it up at the bottom in this section here. Underneath, they have a big chunk, more than half the page dedicated to your expenses every month. And then at the back, you can do the math. So figure out what your actual savings are in this area, and then final balance, and then additional notes if you need space for that. And I find it's really helpful to have everything laid out on one page. And this year, trying to become a better, more responsible adult, which is hard. Adulting is hard. Finally, I have my travel section at the back, and unfortunately, we all know that nobody's really traveling much right now. I just started to fill out this world map, and I don't know, this one was my friend printed it out for me. She found it somewhere. It's adorable, but what I did was I started to label some of the places that I visited with my husband and with my family back when I was a kid. Finally, at the end, I have a plastic sheet, kind of divider, protector page, and a pocket that contains a few more of those cards that I was playing around with. One says Girl Boss on it, under it with marble background, some stickers, and at the back of it, this is the card that, sorry, there's a glare, that Cloth and Paper had sent with my order. So there's that. And at the back, I really don't have a whole lot here. There's nothing in here, just my Tombow marker. But yeah, there we have it. This is my planner. And if any of you guys know of any really good places to get planner inserts, please leave a comment down in the section below, because I'm still really new at this whole planner situation. I think that it's been really helping me keep on track of a lot of things, finances especially. So I'm really looking forward to using this. But if you guys have any recommendations in terms of even like writing accessories or other miscellaneous things that maybe you think that would benefit me and would look really cute in the planner, please, please, please let me know. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. I would love to have you join me for any of my future uploads. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.